Okay, great. I welcome you once again to today's question. We are still on the Wassce 2025. We are looking at both the core mathematics and the elective mathematics. So today we are going to solve the question 5 of the core mathematics, which says the midpoint of the line joining the 2 points which are y and z, and it is given as 1 comma 2a minus 1, which is given as our midpoint. We have to find what the values of a and b, and also find the length or the distance of y and z. So this is what we have before us today. My name is Evans Okay. I'm still your mathematics facilitator. This is Wassce TV. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the videos as well. You can also get Wassce TV on TikTok. So, my dear student, I entreat each and everyone to pay attention as I take you through this question. So let's quickly look at our solution. All right, that's good. So we have this. So we are saying that if we have A and B as our 2 points, okay, then our midpoint will be given us when a line what joins these 2 points. What will be our midpoint? The midpoint is given us what? When we talk of midpoint, we are talking about what? The middle, okay, value. When you divide the line joining on these 2 points into two equal parts, okay, and probably we are talking about what? Half of this 2 point when they are joined together by a line, okay. So it is giving us what? Half of x1 plus x2, and or we have y1 plus what? Y2. Okay, so this is what we have, and we are going to use this particular formula, okay, to solve this question given. Okay, so let's write the formula in a nice way. Okay, so if that's the case, then we can write it as m is equal to um x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and what? Y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is what we are going to use. Okay, if that's the case, then let's try and identify from the question which one is our x1, which one is our x2, and also y1 and y2. Okay, so we know that if that's the case, yes, so we know that this is what is given in the question. Okay, we have this in the question. So y is given as for this. We have this coordinate for y. We also have what? Negative 4, and b as coordinate for z. If that is the case, what is our x1? So we have our x1 as 2a, our x2 as what? Negative 4, y1 as 3, and y2 as what? B. Meanwhile, we have the midpoint. The midpoint is already given. Okay, and that is 1 comma 2 a minus 1. So we only do substitution. That is what we are going to do. Okay, so if you are going to do substitution, then we are going to have it as yes, so we are going to have it as 1 comma 2a minus 1, which is equal to 2a minus 4 divided by 2, and 3 plus 4 divided by 3 plus b, sorry, divided by 2. Okay, so once we have this, what do we do? It means that we shall be equating what corresponding values. So you look at the left side, you realize that we have 1. The 1 there belongs to what? The x value. It is what? The x value. So we equate to it corresponding value at the right side. So the 1 is the first value, that is for the x axis. Then if you go to the right side, the 2a minus 4 all divided by 2 is also what? The x value. So we equate the 2, and then we also equate 2a minus 1 to 3 plus b divided by 2, and that also belongs to what? The y value. It's also the y value. Okay, so very, very simple. Okay, if that's the case, then let's proceed and see how we can do this. All right, yes, that is great. Good. Yes, so that is what we have. Okay, so if that's the case, then um we can put this one here, so we can solve 1 which is equal to what? The first one, okay, and then the second one, which is also equal to what? The first one and the second one. Have you gotten that? Yes. So very hot, interesting. So once we separate them, then we are going to have it like this. Okay, so let's take the first one and look at how we can solve that. So we have 1 which is equal to 2a minus 4 divided by 2. So here we can find the LCM, which is 2, and multiply 2. So if you multiply 2 by the LCM, then we are going to have 2 multiplying 1, which gives us what? 2 equals 2a minus 4. Yeah, so we have 2 is equal to 2a minus 4. Then what do? We group like terms. So we can decide to transpose the negative 4 to the left side. And that will give us what? 2 minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2a. Then if we simplify, then we are going to get what? 6 is equal to 2a. Then once we have this, what do? We divide both sides by 2. Okay, we divide both sides by 2. And when we divide both sides by 2, what are we going to get? We are going to get a as what? 3. Okay, so we have a as 3, and that gives us the first value. Okay, so let's also look at the b. So if we are looking at the b, then we have 2a minus 1 is equal to 3 plus b, all divided by 2. Once we are able to get a, we can just substitute the value. Okay, yes, we just replace a by 3, and then we are good to go. Okay, so then after replacing, what do? We multiply. Okay, so if you multiply, then we are going to get what? 5, which is equal to 3 plus b divided by 2. And here, what do? We multiply, we find the LCM, which is 2, and multiply 2. So if you do that, then we are going to multiply 2 by 5, which is equal to 3 plus b. Okay, if you multiply that, we are going to, if you multiply 2 by 5, we get what? 10. Then after getting 10, we can group like 10 by transposing 3 to the left side. So we are going to get 10 minus 3, which is equal to b. In that case, what will be my b? It's just a matter of what? Subtracting 3 from 10. And that is given as what? B is equal to 7. Okay, so now we are able to find the values of a and b. So once we are able to get this, then it becomes what? Very easy. So this answers what? The first one. It means that the values of a and b are 3 and 7 respectively. Okay, so very simple, right? Now let's look at the b part. So for the b part, we are saying that if we still have these 2 points, okay, then what will be the length of these 2 points? And it is giving us what? The square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So once we have this, the question asks us to find the length of what? Y and z. So we are able to find a and b, so we can substitute these values into the y, which is given as what? 2a and 3, and then the z minus negative 4 and b. So we can just substitute 3 for a and substitute what? 7 for b. Okay, and that is very easy to do. It is very easy to do. So once we do that, we are going to have this, and if we substitute, then we are going to get y to be what? We are going to get the coordinate for y to be what? 6 and 3. Okay, and then we also have the coordinate for z as what? Negative 4 and 7. So once we have this, then we can identify which one is our x1, which one is our y1, x2, and y2. Okay, if that's the case, then this is what we have. So x1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to negative 4, y1 is 3, y2 is 7. So once we have this, then we can substitute these values into what? The equation there, or the formula there. Okay, yes, so that is what we are going to do now. Yes, so this is what we have. So it's just simple. Substituting is very, very easy. So you just substitute our values, and then we are good. So when we substitute, this is what we are going to get. Okay, yes. So we are going to get this value here, and that is the length of yz is given as square root of -4 minus 6 all squared plus 7 minus 3 all squared. Okay, so if you simplify, then we are going to get square root of 100 plus, so you are going to get, yes, a square root of 100 plus 16, and then that gives us what? 116 units, and that answers everything. So you see that it is very, very simple. Okay, so this is how you can also find the b part. All right, so questions like this, you realize that very, very what, simple and easy. So my dear student, whenever you are solving questions like this, you have to relax, chill, and so take your time and you get everything right. Okay, so if that is the case, then let's end here and continue next time. Okay, so in our next videos we are going to solve questions on the elective maths, and we shall also solve the rest of the questions of the core mathematics. So I want you to relax, okay, have patience as I your mathematics facilitator take you through what all these questions. Okay, so please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, help me. Okay, like all the videos. Okay, you can also share the videos. All right, good. If you have any question, you can go to the comment section, leave your question there, and I shall answer you. Okay, so if that's the case, then let's draw the curtains here and continue next time. See you. Bye bye.